Good morning. I thought we'd talk a little bit more about the smoothing function in Coreo Build. This is where we take our drawing file and we're able to convert the lines to arcs so that we end up with a smoother cut. It'll cut faster. The end result will be more what you're looking for. Remember, each node is actually an XY coordinate. And so the torch is going to say, hey, I'm going to go to this one, then I'm going to go to that one, then I'm going to go to the next one. But if that's an arc, we're going to have constant velocity, and we're going to start, we're going to hit the midpoint, and we're going to go to the end. And so that's really more important on artsy-fartsy stuff than it is on engineering drawings, because typically you've got straight lines. You might have a chamfer or a bevel on the corner and holes, but if you're doing an art piece, you're going to have a lot of different curves to work with. Excuse me, let me back up. Don't want to do this out of 1/2 inch. We'll set it at 14, and we're going to use the 45 amp low speed fine cut. This is actually something I've cut before. Turns out pretty well. It's a dragon. If you look at it, there's one contour, there's the second contour, that's the third contour, and then we've got the fourth and the fifth. So there's only 5 pierce points on this. Because I've actually cut this before, I can tell you that those 2 little pierces don't make any difference in the end result, so I went ahead and deleted them. I'm going to resize this to 24. Actually, let's do it this way. Let's set this at 16. Sorry, 16. Okay, and so now I'm going to go through the cleanup process. You can do it all at once. I actually like to do it on an individual contour basis. It gives me more to look at and helps make sure I don't make any mistakes. So cleanup, personally I like fit arcs. Deviation of 0.05. You can see that we went from 2,058 nodes down to 104. And you can zoom in and see that it's really holding really close to the cut original drawing and the new. I'm going to accept that. Do the second cleanup. I'm looking for areas that might be wacky. Nope. And then the third pierce here, you see that it did a little different here than what I probably would want. We can try the fit arc, same results, don't like that. So we can change this to 2.5, and that gave me, it held this line a lot better for me. So I'm going to accept that. That's how we clean up, go through process. We're still looking at our kerf width, lead ins and lead outs. None of that has changed for us. And here we go.